P0138, O2 sensor circuit high voltage, bank 1, sensor 2. Let's talk about what that means. Bank 1 is the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 is. Sensor 2 is the downstream oxygen sensor, the one located after the catalytic converter. This sensor mainly monitors how well the catalytic converter is working rather than directly controlling the air-fuel mixture like the upstream sensor does. When the computer reports high voltage, it means the signal from that O2 sensor is staying higher than expected, usually around 0.8 to 0.9 volts for an extended period of time. That kind of reading typically indicates a rich condition, meaning there's very little oxygen left in the exhaust. If the computer keeps seeing that high signal, and it doesn't change the way it normally should, it sets the P0138 code. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, inspect the wiring and connector for the downstream O2 sensor. Since the sensor sits underneath the vehicle near the exhaust, the wiring can be exposed to heat, road debris, and moisture. Look for melted insulation, damaged wires, or a connector that's loose or corroded. Second, check for wiring that may have shorted to power. If the signal wire from the sensor is touching a power source, it can force the voltage reading high and trigger this code even if the sensor itself is fine. Third, look for fuel system issues that could cause the engine to run rich. Things like leaking fuel injectors, excessive fuel pressure, or certain engine sensor problems can cause extra fuel to enter the engine, which can lead to higher O2 sensor voltage readings. Fourth, inspect the sensor for contamination. Oil, coolant, or heavy carbon buildup can affect how the sensor reads exhaust gases and sometimes cause it to stick at a high voltage. Fifth, consider the condition of the catalytic converter. Since the downstream sensor monitors converter performance, unusual readings can sometimes be related to a converter that isn't functioning properly. A good general order when diagnosing P0138 would be: inspect the wiring and connector, check for shorts in the signal circuit, look for fuel system problems that may cause a rich condition, inspect the sensor for contamination, and replace the downstream oxygen sensor if everything else checks out. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a worn-out O2 sensor or wiring damage near the exhaust. That's pretty much it for this one.